Alright, I'm Noah, this is my game. It's kind of like the U-Zone layer in U-Hub, but it's got troopers and BB-8s, and I put walls randomly scattered around the map that you have to avoid. So it's kind of like a maze with troopers coming along the sides and the top, and if you touch, they kill you. One thing that was kind of hard was the collisions, because getting that working and getting the troopers to it's an issue was also kind of hard. One thing I wanted to add was maybe power-ups later, scattered around the map that you can use to maybe give you one extra life. I can play the game. Nate Powers, you want to play my game?
Sure.
It's calling you.
Okay.
You can go ahead and play it first, and then we'll have him do it. So.
Whoops, that's
the wrong file?
Yeah, wrong file.
So you have to miss all those. You can't run into those blue things either?
No, if you do, you die.
Okay.
There's a timer up at the top.
Sounds like random too.
Every second, the trooper speed increases by 0.2.
Ah, okay.
So it gets a bit harder.
That's cool. All right.
Okay.
What's your high score on this?
30 seconds.
30 seconds? All right. Here we go, Nate. Nate's going to beat it right here.
I really doubt that.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Woo. You want to try again?
Oh, we'll see. I'm gonna find a way to break the code.
Ooh, there you got a nice big safe zone down there. There we go. There we go. Woo. There we go. It's gonna be trouble. Oh. Ooh. He's rocking it now.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. Pretty good. Feel free to applaud.